Title: Chhota Bheem Reborn, The Return of the Warrior Prince. Summary: in a distant land, far from Dholakpur, a powerful evil force arises, threatening to engulf the world in darkness. As hope fades, a prophecy is revealed: the legendary hero Chhota Bheem will be reborn to defeat this ancient evil. Bheem is reincarnated as a young warrior in a new village, with no memory of his past life. As he grows and discovers his incredible strength, he embarks on a journey to rediscover who he truly is and save the world once again. Characters: Reborn Bheem, Aryan. Aryan is the reincarnation of Chhota Bheem. He is a young, brave, and kind-hearted boy, unaware of his past life but possessing incredible strength and a natural sense of justice. As he embarks on his journey, he gradually remembers his past as Chhota Bheem, Kara, Kalia Reborn, Aryan's best friend, who shares a strong bond with him. Unbeknownst to Aryan, Kara is the reincarnation of Kalia, Bheem's rival turned ally. Kara is smart, resourceful, and loyal, often helping Aryan out of tricky situations. Princess Meera, a wise and kind princess from the neighboring kingdom, who joins Aryan on his quest. She possesses knowledge of ancient prophecies and helps Aryan rediscover his past. Raju, Chutki, and Jaggu, reborn as village children who become Aryan's close friends, though none of them remember their past lives at first. Together, they support Aryan in his quest, gradually uncovering their own past memories. Mahisha the Dark Sorcerer, the primary antagonist, an ancient evil sorcerer who was sealed away by Bheem in his previous life. Now reborn, he seeks to conquer the world, but fears the return of Chhota Bheem. Plot: the story begins in the peaceful village of Bhardwaj, where Aryan lives a simple life. He is known for his unusual strength, bravery, and kindness, helping villagers with various tasks and protecting them from dangers. However, Aryan often experiences strange dreams of battles and faraway lands, hinting at a life he cannot remember. One day, a mysterious dark cloud looms over the neighboring kingdom, signaling the rise of Mahisha, the Dark Sorcerer. His dark magic begins spreading, turning the land barren and threatening to consume everything in its path. As fear grips the land, the village elders reveal an ancient prophecy about the return of a great warrior who once saved the world, Chhota Bheem. Princess Meera, who has been studying the ancient prophecies, arrives in Bhardwaj in search of the reincarnated Bheem. She meets Aryan and immediately senses his hidden power. With her guidance, Aryan begins to unlock his past memories, realizing that he is the reincarnation of Chhota Bheem. As Aryan and his friends, Kara, Raju, Chutki, and Jaggu, set out on their journey, they encounter various challenges that test their strength, wisdom, and friendship. Along the way, Aryan gradually recalls his past life, including his battles against evil forces and his bond with his old friends, Mahisha. Sensing the return of his old nemesis, unleashes his dark army to stop Aryan and his companions. The journey takes them through treacherous landscapes, ancient ruins, and mystical realms, where they must retrieve powerful artifacts that hold the key to defeating Mahisha. In the final battle, Aryan fully embraces his identity as Chhota Bheem, unlocking his true power. With the support of his friends and the strength of his past memories, he confronts Mahisha in a climactic showdown. The battle is fierce, with Mahisha using dark magic to try and overpower Aryan. However, Aryan's courage and determination, fueled by the memories of his past life, enable him to defeat Mahisha once and for all, banishing the darkness and restoring peace to the world. In the aftermath, Aryan and his friends return to Bhardwaj, where they are hailed as heroes. Although they now remember their past lives, They choose to live in the present, knowing that their bond is stronger than ever. The story ends with Aryan looking towards the horizon, ready to face whatever challenges may come. As Chhota Bheem Reborn, moral. The story emphasizes the importance of courage, friendship, and embracing one's true self. It also highlights the idea that even in a new life, the qualities that make someone a hero, bravery, kindness, and loyalty, remain timeless. Visual style. The story blends elements of traditional Indian mythology with a modern, vibrant aesthetic. The settings are richly detailed, from the peaceful village of Bhardwaj to the dark, foreboding lands under Mahesha's control. The characters are depicted with dynamic expressions and action-packed sequences, highlighting their growth and the epic scale of their adventure. This story would be ideal for an animated series or film, appealing to fans of the original Chhota Bheem while introducing new elements and a fresh storyline that explores the themes of rebirth, destiny, and the power of memory.